All right, October is usually the month where a meteorologist is looking for something to happen around northern Arizona, and I always said there was at least one storm, something exciting around the month of October. Well, it doesn't look to be shaking out this October here. The story of October 2017 has been dry and very warm, and today it just keeps on going. 73 degrees, our high temperature today, 13 degrees above the average of 60, just a few degrees below the 76-degree high temperature record set back on this day in 2003. Okay, we've been also keeping our eye on the calendar year precipitation, which at one point they were 3-4 inches apart, where we were just well above average and everything was looking groovy. And lately this average has been slowly creeping up here, as we have seen very little precipitation in the last couple months. And you know, we're looking at calendar year precipitation here. A lot of times we talk about water year, which starts on September 1st here across northern and central Arizona. And that's about when it started getting dry around here. And here's a graphic the National Weather Service put together since September 1st on some of the precipitation for some cities across Arizona. Flagstaff, we've only seen 42/100ths of an inch in the last couple months, just a fraction of the 3.5+ inches that would be average. And everybody, just a fraction of what would be average here since September 1st. 22/100ths so far in Winslow, a ½ inch in Prescott, 39/100ths so far in Payson since September 1, and Show Low at 1.5 inches. So eastern Arizona not quite as dry as the rest of Arizona. All these numbers here for this time period, September 1 to where we are now, starting to approach top 10 type dry periods for us, as the driest ever in record-keeping history, and doesn't look like a lot of relief in sight anytime soon. Okay, today's high temperatures all across the state and region, way above average. 88 in Payson today, 97 in Phoenix, Prescott 86, Kingman 87, Sedona 90 today, and up in Las Vegas 91. The entire West under this dry and hot weather. We take a look at some of the tweets from the National Weather Service across the region today. This one out of Las Vegas. The official temperature in Vegas reached 90 today, the latest 90-degree temperature in the year since 1959. So that's quite some time. Quite hot in Vegas. Let's take a look at the NWS here in Los Angeles, and these numbers are a little small, but Los Angeles today, downtown, 102 degrees, and I'm going to step off the screen because my eyes can't see those numbers either. LA Airport was 101 today, Long Beach Airport 105, 101 in Burbank, and right on down the line, triple digits, and those are all record-breaking temperatures in Southern California today. All right, now we switch it over to the water vapor imagery and just talk about this ridge of high pressure that's gigantic, impacting the entire western United States. And you can see, look at this just flow up and over the top of this mountain. This is just a big, massive dome of warm air being pumped up out of the subtropics. High pressure is in place. Everything under this dark gray is the ridge of high pressure making its way into the western United States. And this thing is pretty much parked right on top of us here all week long, just with a couple little exceptions. Notice on the eastern side of the ridge, this is where the jet stream starts to drop down the spine of the Rockies. And notice how it kind of gets close to very far northeastern Arizona. Well, a dry cold front's going to clip us overnight tonight, breezy overnight tonight. A little bit of a northeasterly breeze nudges temperatures down tomorrow. Still perfectly sunny, not overly windy, but gusty winds and a little bit cooler. And then for the whole week, we're just all sunshine the whole way through. Okay, and look at the warm temperatures all across the west right now. It's 88 in Los Angeles, San Francisco. It's 81 right now. Currently outside, you know, I went to get the camera picture from the NWS Belmont, and I was going to tell the story how clear it is. But this is all smoke from a prescribed burn out there. 63 and some smoke in the sky right now. Overnight tonight, 37 degrees, a little breezy. Tomorrow, a little breezy but sunny and mild day, and statewide temperatures out there for you tomorrow. 82 in Sedona, 76 Winslow, and 81 Payson. A little cooler tomorrow, but temperatures still way above average. I'm going to just stop here because I'm going way long. We'll get the 5-day forecast in at the end.